Hello viewers, welcome to Senior College Mathematics. Topic of discussion is probability. Lesson 14, selected problems from WAEC part 6. Example 58, which of the following is not a probability of Mary scoring 85% in a mathematics test? Solution: the probability of an event happening cannot be greater than 1. So D is the correct result. In probability problems, the range of solution is between 0 and 1. Cannot be less than 0 and it cannot be greater than 1. Example 59. If one student is selected at random, find the probability that he or she scores at most 2 marks. Solution: probability at most 2 marks is equal to probability less than or equal to 2 marks. That is, probability 2 marks plus probability 1 mark plus probability no mark. From the given bar chart, those that score 2 marks, they are 5 over total of 20 students, plus those that score 1 mark, they are 2 over total of 20, plus those that scored 0, they are 4 over total of 20. You have this result, and 11 over 20. The correct option is B. Example 60. If a number is selected at random from each of the sets, P equal to this and Q equal to this, find the probability that the sum of the number is prime. Solution: we are interested in the sum. You have to draw a table. The first set, the row; second set, the column. Then you add for you to get the sum. We are interested in prime, a number with 2 factors, 1 and itself. From the given table, the sum is prime. You have these elements, and they are 3. Total elements is 9. Therefore, probability sum is prime is equal to number of elements that are prime, 3 over total 9, and you have 1 over 3. The correct option is C. Example 61. The probability of an event P happening is 1 over 5, and that of event Q is 1 over 4. If the events are independent, what is the probability that neither of them happens? Solution: for P to happen, the probability is 1 over 5, and for Q, 1 over 4. We have to get the probability that neither of them will happen. So probability neither P will happen is 1 minus P will happen, and that is 4 over 5. Probability neither Q will happen is equal to 1 minus Q will happen, 1 over 4, and that gives 3 over 4. Then probability neither of them will happen is 4 over 5 for P not happening times 3 over 4 for Q not happening. When you simplify, you have 3 over 5. The correct option is C. Example 62. A building contractor obtained for two independent contracts, S and Y. The probabilities that he will win contract S is 0.5 and not win contract Y is 0.3. What is the probability that he will win A, both contracts, B, exactly one of the contracts, C, neither of the contracts? Solution: probability win contract S is equal to 0.5 from the question. Then probability lose contract S is 1 minus win contract S, and that is 0.5. From the question also, probability lose contract Y is 0.3. Then probability win contract Y is equal to 1 minus lose contract Y, and you have 0.7. A part of the question: probability win both contracts, that is 0.5 times 0.7, and that is 0.35. B, probability win exactly one of the contract is equal to probability win S and lose Y, or probability lose S and win Y, and that is 0.5 times 0.3 plus 0.5 times 0.7. You have this result. After addition, you have 0.5. C, probability win neither of the contracts means probability lose both contracts, and that is 0.5 to lose contract S, then 0.3 to lose contract Y. If you multiply both, you have 0.15. Example 63. The probabilities that Keba, Ebwe, and Oman will hit a target are 2/3, 3/4, and 4/5 respectively. Find the probability that only Keba will hit the target. Solution: probability that only Keba will hit the target means Ebwe and Oman will miss the target. So probability Keba only is equal to probability Keba will hit the target, then Ebwe and Oman will miss the target, E bar O bar. For Keba to hit the target, the probability is 2/3 times for Ebwe to miss is 1 minus Ebwe to hit. Then times for Oman to miss is 1 minus Oman to hit. 3/4, 4/5. When you simplify, you have this result, and 1/30. The correct option is C. End of lesson 14. Thanks for following to the end. Don't forget, watch out for more from the voice of Petakus. Lastly, if you are not safe, your life is in crisis, your life is in trouble. To avoid all of that, you have to give your life to the one that can save you, that is the Lord Jesus Christ, and confess him as your Lord and personal Savior every day of your life. If you are saved already, congratulations, live righteously and be prepared, because on the last day some will be taken and some will be left. Be good to yourself, stay out of trouble, study your books, do the needful at all times, flee every appearance of evil, Don't defraud others to make money. Find something good and genuine to do with your hands and your brain, and the Lord will bless you. Goodbye and stay tuned.